let's solve this equation together. It says root of x plus 23 plus root of x is equal to 4. Okay, we're to solve for the value of x in this equation. Now, the first thing we're going to do here is to say that root of x plus 23, okay, is equal to 4 minus root of x. Okay, now squaring both sides of this equation, we have this side raised to the power of 2 and this side raised to the power of 2. Now moving on from here, when we square this side of this equation, this square and this square root strikes out, so that we're left with x plus 23 to be equal to, for this side, 4 squared is 16. Okay, it's 4 times minus root x is minus 4 root x, times 2 is minus 8 root x. Okay, so we have minus 8 root x. Lastly, we have minus root x squared will give us plus x. Okay, comparing this equation, you can see that x can strike out x on this side, such that we have 23 is equal to 16 minus 8 root x. Okay, now let's isolate this 8 root x and make it positive. So we bring 8 root x to this side, so we have 8 root x coming to this side becoming positive is equal to 16 minus 23. Now we have 8 root x to be equal to 16 minus 23 is negative 7. Okay, now from this point you can see that we have that root of x is equal to negative 7 all over 8. Okay, now squaring both sides of this equation, you can see we can eliminate this square root sign by doing that, so that we have square root and square cancelling out, so that we're left with x to be equal to minus 7 squared is positive 49, so you have plus 49 divided by 8 squared to be 64. Okay, and this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.